Okay, so problem 4 exercise 3.2. Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent? And which of them are inconsistent? Inconsistent. So of the given pair of linear equations, which of them are consistent, which of them are inconsistent? If consistent, find solution. If they are consistent, find the solution. Find solution. If this is there, you find solution is asking, right? Now what are the first one? X plus y is equal to problem 1 is x plus y is equal to 5, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now if I say this is a1 means 1 x quotient is 1, a1, b1 is 1 and c is minus 5. If I bring this side, here a2 is 2, b2 is 2 and c is minus 10, c2 is minus 10. So what is that? We have to just find out a1 by a2 and b1 by b2. What is a1 by a2? 1 by 2. What is b1 b2? 1 by 2. Both are equal. And what is c1 by c2? Also minus 5 by minus 10. So all are equal. So when the ratios are equal, what does it mean? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Then they are coincident. The lines are coincidents. They are coincident. Because they are coincident, there will be an infinite number of solutions. This coincident means implies it is consistent and also implies infinite number of solutions, right? So now we will solve them. What is the given one? X plus y is equal to 5. What is x value? 5 minus y. If you go and put y is equal to say some value 1, 2, 3, what we get is we get x is equal to 5 minus 1. When y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. And then 5 minus 2, that is equal to 3. Then 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. So that means this is the condition. So this is x, this is y. Y is equal to 1, 2, 3. This will be 4, 3, 2. Right now, we'll see this one. What is that? Another line is 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Actually, this is also same thing. The first equation is multiplied by 2, we will get this one. Or even if I take 2 common, I will get the same thing. So we will get the same x, y value and x and y value. Because if I substitute these values in this equation, it will satisfy. But anyway, we can solve this also. So what is this one here? If I bring this one, 2x is equal to 10 minus 2y and x is equal to 10 minus 2y by 2. Now you choose some values for x and y. So when y is equal to 1, 2, 3, we will get like this. We will get the same values we are going to get. If I assume x and y, same 1, 2, 3, we will get the same thing. 4, 3, 2 we will get. So that means if I say the if I graph draw, we will get a line like this. Okay, so this is both the lines represents a same. What is that one? This line represents x plus y is equal to 5 and this only represents 2x plus 2y is equal to 10, and on this there will be so many number of points, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, okay, and 4 comma 1, so on, like this will be there, okay, right. So therefore this is coincident line. The first problem, first given pair of lines is a coincident, and there will be infinite number of solutions for the given equations. Now problem 2. What is the problem 2? Problem 2 is x minus y is equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y is equal to 16, okay, 3x minus 3y. So again we will compare. It will be 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 by minus 3, that is equal to minus 8 by minus 16. So 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3, that will be 1 by 2, not equal. So that means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is not equal to c1 by c2. So when like this condition, what does it mean? Because a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 implies that these linear equations are parallel, because with the help of this we can say this is only, what is the condition of parallel lines? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. If this is a condition, the given lines are parallel. So when the lines are parallel, there will be no solution. Because the lines are parallel, they have no possible solutions. Therefore the lines are parallel. Because they are parallel implies no solution, because they never touch either. Because it is no solution, they are inconsistent equations. Inconsistent, okay. Now problem 3. What is problem 3 here? Problem 3 given as, let me just check, 2x plus y problem is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so what does it mean? 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. We will compare a1 by coefficients, will compare. If I compare coefficients, what I am going to get is, it is 2 by 4, it is 1 by minus 2, it is minus 6 by minus 4. So 2 by 4 is how much? 1 by 2 only, but it is 1 minus 1 by 2. This is again 3 by 2. So therefore this, what does it implies? It implies that it is 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So these two are not equal. Because these two are not equal, the lines are intersecting. The two lines are intersecting and each other, and at one point they are common. I mean they intersect at one point, and thus they have a solution and consistent. Only one solution is possible. So this implies the given lines are intersecting. Because they are intersecting, they have a solution. This implies they are consistent. They are consistent, and there exists only one solution. Means there is only one point that satisfies both the given equations. What about next problem? I think it is 3 over. So next problem will be fourth one. Of course, for the this 3 we can draw the graph also. If you draw the graph, what we are going to get is we are going to get like this. Some values will take, if I take the first equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, this I can write as y is equal to, bringing the 2 to right side, 6 minus 2x. We will take some value for some x and y values. Roughly this is y and this is x. When x is 0, y will be 6. When x is 1, 6 into 2 into 1, so 4 it will be there. When I put value of x as 2, I will get 2 to the 4, 6 minus 4 is 2. So this will be. And similarly other line. When I take the other line, what is other line? 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So what is y here? Keep this y here only, both bring to that side. So this is 4. You bring this side is 4x, okay, minus 2y is equal to 4x minus 4. Okay, what will be y? 4x minus 4 by 2. Now we'll take some values. What are the values here? So these values are x and y. When I take x1, it is 4 minus 4, 0, so it will be 0. When I take x2, 4 into 2, 8, 8 minus 4 is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. When I take 3, it will be 4, because 4 into 3, 12, 12 minus 4 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4. So these are the points. So graphical solution, if I draw roughly, we are going to get like this. This will be the graph. I am just not to scale, just like we are drawing. So one line will be like this, okay. The other line will be something like this. So both intersects at 2 comma 2, because if you just see here 2 comma 2 is there in both the 2 comma 2 satisfies both the lines, therefore 2 comma 2 is a common point. There will be so many other points. 3 comma 4 here is there, and this is 1 comma 0, here something like 1 comma 0, so on. Here on this 1 comma 4, etc. Okay, now this line will be 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. And what about this line? This line is 2x plus y, 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, graphically. Even if you solve also, we can get the same thing. Both we can solve and get the equations. That how also I can show you this. What is that the equation is given here? The first equation is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. The other line is 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now just if I multiply the above one with 2, I will get 4x plus 2y minus 12. I am multiplying this with the sum 2. It means into 2, we can say, with 2. So it will be 4x and 2y minus 12. So it is 4x minus 2y as it is. This is minus, this is plus, and this is plus, right? Now this will get cancels. Plus 2y and plus 2y is 4y, and minus 12 and plus 4 is minus 8. When I take this one y to this side and bring 8 this side and bring 4 downside, it will be 2. So y is 2. This put in the any one equations. So means 2 into 2 plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. So 2 to the 4, 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Minus 2 bring that side, y is equal to 2. So therefore what is the solution we got? Is it correct only? So it is 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2 is the required solution. 2 comma 2 is the required solution, right? This is graphically we have drawn. What we have drawn is just what is that we have done is we have drawn like this. Graphically it is also 2 comma 2 we have here. Graphically this is the only point where 2 comma 2 here, and where is this one? Here also it is 2 comma 2. So this is 2 comma 2 here is there, and 2 comma 2 here also is there in this. That means only this is the equation, this is the point that satisfies both the equation. This is the solution. Okay, right? So we'll go for the next bit. What is the next bit here? I think this is fourth one. So fourth one is, what is fourth one? Fourth problem is given as 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 is 0. 2x minus 2y minus 2 is 0, 4x minus 4y minus 5 is 0. Now let us see the ratios. What is the ratios we have here? a1 by a2, 2 by 4. Let us see whether equal or not. Minus 2 by minus 4, and this one will be minus 2 by minus 5. So what does it mean? This means 2 by 2 is how much? 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2, that is minus 2 by minus 5, of course plus 2 by 5. So these two are equal, this is not equal. Okay, so these two are equal. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, that is not equal to c1 by c2. So what is that we got? 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 equal, and this is 2 by 5 not equal. So this is the condition. This condition says what? These linear equations are parallel. These are parallel equations. So when lines are parallel, what does it mean? Because the lines are parallel, they will not intersect. They never intersect. What is that? They never intersect. They never intersect in the plane. Therefore, there is no solution. Therefore, they are inconsistent. They are inconsistent. Okay. Hence, we'll stop here and we'll see you in the next class.